Here's Darren Wong, consultant with Karen Business Solutions.
Did you know it's easy to get started with bank services in Sage 300?
Begin by going to Common Services, Bank Services, and then clicking on Banks. This is where you must add a record for each bank account on your chart of accounts. In the Bank field, enter a bank code and a description for the bank. If for any reason this bank is going to be inactive, put a check mark right here. And if this bank is going to be involved in multi-currency accounts, put a check mark here. And then indicate the statement currency. And you'll notice that once I put a check here, we now have an additional tab to look at up here. Your result will look something like this for our fictitious Canadian commercial bank. Now go to each of the other tabs and fill them in as well. One caution, in the Accounts tab and in the Currency tab, do not specify accounts to which posting is prohibited. Other than that, fill them in as the context suggests. For check stocks, specify the check stock code, the next check number, and the stock type. Under Currency, indicate your currency codes, and for any of them, you can double-click here and use this Finder key to specify the appropriate rate type from here. Under Taxes, click the Finder icon and select your appropriate tax group, and then click Select. For each tax authority, click the Finder icon here and select the appropriate vendor tax class. The tax group and vendor tax classes are used as defaults for taxable entries for the bank. When you are done, click Save and Close, and that's pretty much it. There are, of course, a number of other things that you will want to be on top of, such as making sure your general ledger includes all of the accounts referenced in this bank's dialog box. So if you want some help making sure you do not overlook anything when setting up your Sage 300 bank services, contact us or reach out directly to Darren Wong.
So now you know.